Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now in today's video, we're just going to be doing some quick cleaning and then some decorating. So come on with me guys. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Clean and Decorate. This is being hosted by myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Now I kind of have to stay on top of this dusting, guys. It gets very dusty here where I am. And all I'm really doing is just kind of wiping stuff down and just refreshing the area, nothing big. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and I will see you at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.